What happens if you infringe someone else's patent rights? No, the patent police aren't showing up tonight. There's no jail, no cuffs, no flashing red lights. But there can be lawsuits, big expensive fights.
A patent is property, like land you cannot see. If you use it without permission, there may be liability. The real question starts
with the claims inside, not the drawings or the title,
but what the claims describe.
Read the claims, compare the parts. That's where infringement starts. Know the rules before you roll.
Go big,
go bold, do, 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 go bold, do, 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 do.
Sometimes products look alike, but legally they're not.
One missing element
Can change the whole shot.
That's why lawyers build claim charts side by side,
Looking at each feature
to see what's inside.
and if someone copies you,
You got choices to make.
fight them in the courtroom.
A license, what they take.
Maybe they become a partner.
Maybe royalties flow.
Sometimes infringement proves.
There's a market growing strong,
Ignore it too long.
and you could lose your ground
Rights must be defended.
when infringers come around. Read the claims, compare the parts. That's where infringement starts. Protect your work, take control. Go big, go